Can we make ourselves sneeze?
Let's talk about that. Good, mythical morning.
Gesundheit, Rhett. That is Gesundheit for fake sneezes. Today, we talk sneezing. You get a little tickle-wickle in your nostrils and then bam! Mucus and air shoot out of your nose and mouth at somewhere around 10 miles an hour, flinging your body face fluids up to 30 feet away.
Face fluids and face fluids.
Face fluids.
So it makes sense that at some point in your life, you're going to harness this high-powered snot-shooting apparatus attached to your face, maybe for self-defense or maybe just as a public display of dominance. Who knows?
I don't know. Today we're gonna be checking out a few different ways to sneeze on command and see if it actually works. So, let's get weird with it. Making yourself sneeze.
So we have scoured the internet to find ways that people say you can make yourself sneeze. And I'm in a slight advantage here because I've already got a bit of a cold and I've been sneezing already.
I can tell. You sound a lot
I got a little bit of the cold voice, so hopefully I can pull this off. But let's get started with the first one. Okay, so apparently looking suddenly into a
Baseball
bright
bat?
light. This is a flashlight.
Looks like a
This can trigger something called
billy club.
the photic sneeze reflex. Basically, there's a nerve which connects your eyes and your nose called the trigeminal nerve. And scientists have found that between 18 and 35% of the population can have this nerve triggered by having a light shone into their eyeballs. So the way this works is we're gonna bring the lights down. What I want you to do is I want you to close your eyes. And then I'm going to shine this light on your eyes. And when you feel that the light is shining on your eyes, I want you to open your eyes as wide as you can, stare directly at the light, and you're gonna start feeling the sensation.
How long do I stare at the light?
It says suddenly, so apparently it'll happen suddenly. So I'll put it on there for a few seconds.
I don't want to blind myself.
Oh, you're not gonna get, it's not the sun. Here we go.
Okay.
Open wide, open wide.
Okay. Nothing. Here, let me try it on you.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
I feel like a deer. Okay, take
License and registration.
Take it off. Well, I mean, only 18 to 35% of the population.
Bring the lights back up. I don't want to get spooked out.
I mean, 2/3 of the population at least doesn't have this, and we're just normal, I guess.
Now I just see a dot in front of my face.
I see it's funny, I see like, it created a weird pattern. I see like a bat.
Yeah, a light bat.
Is there a light bat on the middle of that light bulb?
No, but I see it like, it's like the Batman symbol.
Well,
but
Batman is calling us. Batman is calling us through this flashlight, Link.
This is also spooking me out. Let's move on to the next one. Apparently snorting water can make you sneeze because your brain interprets water droplets as foreign bodies that it then wants to expel instead of letting them into your lungs. So it's not really snorting water, it's snorting water droplets, okay? So what you don't want to do is you don't want to drown yourself in a bowl of water.
You don't want to drink with your nose. Don't drink with your nose,
No,
guys.
don't
This
do
is
that.
not what's happening.
All right, so what we're gonna do is, we're going to dip our nose tips into the water bowls, and then we are going to—
Bowls?
Yeah, and then, so you allow some water to residuate inside of your nostrils.
You're making words up now.
And then sniff that in. So don't submerge your nose and sniff.
We're not anteaters.
Dip the tip of your nose.
Tip the dip in the thing. First you want to tip the dip in the bowl. I'm tipping my dip in the bowl.
All right, so my nostrils have water in them. I feel like I could sneeze.
Oh.
You just don't snort, sniff.
Oh, I got.
Tip the dip and sniff, don't snort.
I sniffed when the tip was dipped.
It's like a sniff language between the two of us.
There's probably just somewhere this exists. It's not making me sneeze though.
All right, so plucking nose hairs is also supposed to do it because that triggers the trigeminal nerve, which
Heard of that.
which, yeah, you've already talked about. But we each have tweezers here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna pluck each other's nose hairs in unison, which is the true test of friendship. We do this all the time. Though.
Which nostril
I mean, like
do you want?
every day before we shoot, we're like, all right, are we ready to do the dual nose pluck? I don't want any of those creepers coming out.
Okay, it seemed natural to do the left nostril with the right hand.
What? Is this your left?
Just like we do every morning. Hold on.
I'm about to sneeze.
Yeah, I know. I don't want a sharp object in my nose while you sneeze.
That's a good point.
You'll kill me. You'll be like, and it'll go right in my brain. You know, that'll happen.
That would suck.
That's how I'm going to die at his hand. We already all know this. He will kill me. He'll be driving the car that we're in. Whatever the situation is, it's gonna be his fault.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. I gotta see if you got any.
You have one that's peeking.
I know. You can see mine, but can you tip? I'm gonna grab.
Don't pull. Just grab and hold.
I'm just not comfortable with you with this sharp object. Look how sharp it is.
I'm only gonna pull down. But
you
see
went. Okay. Let me find yours before you dig in there.
Okay, I see one. You've got one right there.
2, 3.
Oh, gosh, Rhett, that thing is long.
Yeah, well, look at yours, man.
Oh,
It's kinky.
gross. Where are we gonna put these?
I don't know. You can plant them.
I don't want to do this anymore, man. This is wrong and nasty.
So wrong. You can actually make a sneezing powder. It kind of works in the same way that water does, in that your nose inhales something that's not supposed to be there. In this case, it can be a mix of black pepper, cayenne, and cumin, which is what we have here. And it'll get into the inner lining of your nose, and your nose is like, this shouldn't get into the lungs, guys! Red alert, sneeze time! That's actually exactly how the nose thinks about it. So what we're gonna do is just, you take a little bit and you pinch it.
That smells good. It smells like some rub I'm gonna put on some meat later. You're gonna snort or sniff that?
I feel like we should snort.
Well, I'm just gonna sniff the whole thing. You snort that.
Okay. Ready?
3, 2, 1. Snort. Ooh.
Oh. Whoa, it's hot.
Is it hot?
Yeah, whoa.
Is it real hot?
Hold on.
Don't aim it at me now. I'm getting close. I'm going all the way in though. Oh.
Dude, it's strong.
Oh gosh. Oh my goodness.
I can't believe my brain is okay with this. No, you should be fine with this. This could be it's so hot in my
That was
nose.
a mistake.
I feel like I need to snort water now.
We have some.
My nose is amazingly hot right now. Like, it is so.
All I want to do is sneeze. Oh, I just did it. Did you hear that?
I did. I saw it. It was kind of a cough sneeze.
Okay, here comes another one. I fought it. Oh, that was for reals.
How hot is your nose? I gotta dip my nose in some water.
My nose is hot.
This is the only way I can get relief.
Oh, I just blew it all over my face.
This last one involves triggering the lateral femoral cutaneous nerve, which goes through the groin area and then connects to the, you guessed it, trigeminal nerve in the face. So apparently, by getting your nether regions very cold, you can make yourself sneeze. Hence, the bag of ice.
Okay.
Okay, so.
I'm gonna put this on a. Oh, there's one!
All he had to do was hold the bag of ice and it made him sneeze.
Alright.
Okay, so it's already working for you.
Yeah, so
you just got it near it and it made you sneeze.
I can't open my left eye. It's like, I feel
Okay, so just sort of place that there. Now, you know what you're supposed to do? You're supposed to lean back, look straight up, and extend your tongue out past your teeth and breathe through your mouth.
Oh, I'm so close. Oh, my crotch is so cold. Oh, I gotta.
I'm just imagining the people watching Good Mythical Morning together right now. There's someone out there right now sitting next to their mom. They're both watching Good Mythical Morning.
Two guys
There's
with cold
two guys
crotch.
with ice, bags of ice in their nether regions. for science.
Oh.
You make a lot of noise.
Hey guys, we completely made this entire last one up.
What? You made this up? Icing the crotch.
Oh, you're lying. You're lying. I'm gonna throw this bag.
I think it could work. Let's just sit
I
here.
can't believe y'all did that. Whose idea was that?
It will happen again. Why is my crotch still cold? Here, I don't. All right. Oh yeah, there's
Yeah, yeah, got it.
one. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, I finally got my sneeze. I don't think it had anything to do with the ice packs.
Oh, I think it
Thanks
did.
for that.
I think we add that one to the list. We can start circulating that one on the internet. Slightly stick your tongue out, look up, and put cold compress on your groin if you really want to sneeze.
I think the sneezing powder, in my opinion, the only thing that actually works
this stuff is money right
is
here,
the sneezing
y'all.
powder, but your nose will burn.
Let us know what you think in the comments. What's your experience? Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing.
You know what's up. It is.
Fazuntight.
Hi, my name is Nicole Johnson,
And my name is Zach Johnson.
and we're from Beaverdam, Wisconsin, and it's time to spin the wheel of mythicality.
It's getting cold out there in places other than Southern California. You need a good Mythical Morning hoodie. Woo! RhettLink.com/store.
Click through the Good Mythical More, where we're going to try to get members of the crew to sneeze. Oh, and I'll be blowing my nose some, but not a lot.
Shrimp, the musical. I'm a shrimp.
I'm a shrimp.
I'm a shrimp.
We're a shrimp.
We're shrimp.
Together we're shrimp, and we're swimming around in the ocean. We're looking ugly, but tasty.
Oh, what's that thing? It looks like a net. I'm really into nets. Let me go into it.
I'm actually in a net as well.
It's getting kind of hot. What is this?
It's the air. It's the
No,
land.
it's the water at Red Lobster.
We're getting boiled and fried.
It had cool stuff that you could get in the back.
Ooh.
Clap for him.